Hey guys, this is your girl Latibu, and I'm back with another, review telling you about the Book Your Travel website theme. It's a Book Your Travel WordPress theme that's well documented, easy to use, and you guys can use it. So, say for instance, you have a guest house or a hostel that you want a website. This is the theme for you. Trust me, I have used it for my travel website and it works wonders. The features are amazing. With this, guests can inquire about your accommodations, they can book reservations, group bookings, and they have over 78 payment gateways for you to try, to choose which one you want your customers to pay with. It comes with premium theme, and guess what? You can change the language. If you can see up here, English, you can change whatever language you want. So this comes with a lot of features that you definitely want. You can display a lot of information on the home page here as to what you have to offer these customers and why they need to um, stay at your place. So as you can see right here, everything is right here, and they can even subscribe on the bottom to your newsletter. You just set it up. It's well documented, and then what you can do if you like this look, what you just do is import the demo site, and then you can customize it to how you want it. So over here, we're going to look at the room. So in this section, you can display, the room, how many persons, the price, and everything. Over here it tells how many person for this room and if it's boys, girls, and all of that. It's an amazing theme. You have the descriptions, you have the facilities, and what's included, the location and the review. So let's go back here and say, for instance, we're gonna go here and we're gonna choose a date, right? And this is what comes up. We're gonna choose to see what's available when we're checking in, when we're checking out, and then it will see what I'm telling you about. This is amazing. Two people, one room, you know? One breakfast, one Wi-Fi. And you just go down and then you proceed, right? As simple as that. Tell you that this theme is amazing. I will leave the documentation link in the description below and also to where you can find this theme if you'd like to get it. You can do, it's just an amazing theme, guys. As I said, it's well documented and you can change it up to suit what you want. It's a WordPress theme. It comes with different, it doesn't come with only this theme that you're seeing here. You have over 26 different templates to choose from. So, guys, I'm going to leave you at this and you see what they have to offer. And I love it. I hope you love it. And I hope that you find this information helpful. So, as I said, you have 78 ways to collect payments from your customers. You can outline everything that you need, and do whatever you want with this to fit your business. So, guys, I'm going to leave you, everything will be in the description below, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.